Is your car blowing white smoke, overheating, or suffering from a blown head gasket? And did your mechanic just hand you a $3,000 estimate? Stop right there. Before you agree to an expensive engine teardown, watch this. Today, I'm revealing the top 5 head gasket sealers on the market that actually work and can literally save your engine. I've dropped the links to all these products in the description below. Make sure you stick around for number 1 because it is an absolute game changer. Let's dive in. Coming in at number 5 is the Permatex 80697 Copper Spray-A-Gasket. Now this is a bit different from the others on our list because it's not a pour-in fluid. It's an aerosol spray. If you're physically doing a gasket replacement job yourself and want bulletproof insurance against future leaks, this is your go-to. This fast-drying metallic copper adhesive helps dissipate heat and fills in those tiny surface hotspots and imperfections on the metal. Its best feature is that it withstands extreme temperatures from -50 degrees Fahrenheit all the way up to 500 degrees, and is highly resistant to automotive fluids, especially gasoline. It's an absolute must-have for making sure your repair job is done right the first time. At number 4 is a massive favorite in the DIY community, BlueDevil Pour-N-Go Head Gasket Sealer. Just like the name says, it is incredibly easy to use. You don't need any special tools and you don't need to be a master mechanic. What makes BlueDevil stand out is that it contains absolutely no solid or particulate matter. This means it is 100% safe to use and will never clog your engine or heater core. It bonds to metal, aluminum, cast alloy, and plastic to seal warped heads and blown gaskets on both gas and diesel engines. It's the ultimate hassle-free, clog-free permanent fix for the everyday driver looking to get back on the road safely and quickly. Taking the number 3 spot is the heavy hitter, Bars Leaks Block Seal Head Gasket Fix. Proudly made in the USA, this one-step formula is designed for severe leaks that other products just can't handle. It uses a combination of antifreeze-compatible sodium silicate and specific sealing particles. Here's the cool part. It actually uses the extreme 5,000-degree heat inside your combustion chamber as a catalyst. When the liquid hits that heat, it permanently hardens, making the patched area stronger than the actual head gasket itself. The best part is there's no draining required. If your vehicle can idle for 20 minutes without overheating, it's a perfect candidate for this commercial-grade fix. Our runner-up at number 2 is K&W FiberLock Head Gasket and Block Repair. When you have a stubborn, larger hole that is rapidly losing fluid, you need the power of nanotechnology. This premium formula contains military-strength fibers that actually create a multi-layer, web-like weave over cracks. As it circulates through your cooling system, those nanoparticles find the smallest crevices and permanently lock them down, while also lowering your overall operating temperature. Just pour it in and let it work. The military-grade fiber technology builds a physical mesh over larger, problematic cracks, providing a premium, permanent repair in a bottle. And finally, taking the number 1 spot on our list is the undisputed champion, Green Demon Head Gasket and Block Repair. If you want the product that professional mechanics actually keep on their shelves, this is it. This is an advanced, super-strength ceramic reinforced formula. There's no system flushing required. You just shake, pour it into the radiator, and let the magic happen. The ceramic particles flow to the damaged area and cure to form a permanent, indestructible bonded seal. It tackles everything from coolant to cylinder leaks to blown gaskets. The professional-grade ceramic reinforcement provides a true, permanent seal. It is the ultimate insurance policy against a multi-thousand-dollar mechanic bill. So guys, before you let a shop tear your engine apart, give one of these DIY sealers a shot. I've linked all 5 of these products down in the description below, so click through to check the current pricing and read the reviews for yourself. If this video helped save you some time and money, do me a huge favor and hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more automotive tips, reviews, and money-saving hacks. Drive safe, and I'll see you in the next one.